Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about the 3-in-1 Tummy Time Roller Pillar by Vtech Baby. You can use it from birth on. It's good for tactical discovery, motor skills, and also language. So the three things that this setup includes, it comes with tummy time play, crawling play, and rolling play. And it teaches feelings, animals, sing-alongs, and songs, and then also 50 plus songs, melodies, sounds, and phrases. So I wanted to go over this with you guys. I also reviewed the Fisher-Price Kick and Play Piano Gym if you wanted to look at that one compared to this one and make your choice. I did get this when Bye Bye Baby was closing. They were having a closing sale. So it was $22.49. It was on sale for $14.99, but you may be able to find this price at other stores, because I did find that Bye Bye Baby items that were from the closing price were also the same price at other places. So it's always good to shop around before purchasing, especially when it comes to baby things. You may find them cheaper elsewhere. So I haven't set this up yet, as you can see, because I do prefer the Fisher-Price one so far. But because this one I found was much slimmer, and let's be realistic, baby doesn't have much space to fit on here if you lay them down for tummy time or like on the back. So this is what kind of deterred me from even wanting to set this up, is because the Fisher-Price mat is way bigger than that. But today we'll go over that. I'll show you everything that's in the box. So in the box, I'll go over everything that comes with it. So in the box, you get the mat, which is literally just this. You get the set of toys, mirror, the parent guide, and also this is just something about the different other things that they offer. The different things that they offer with Vtech for development in babies. So this is very self-explanatory to set up, but we're going to go over this. So it says right here that it has 4 modes. Buttons introduce nature sounds and silly music. So the buttons can be found right up here. It should be playing, but I don't hear any sounds. So we do have to see if there's a way that we can check whether there's batteries or how to set that up. We'll go into that. Yep, there's a little slot right here. There we go. Okay, so you have to actually turn it on. So it does have something to turn on, so make sure you don't miss that. So it plays nature sounds and all those. And when you want to turn it off, you can turn it off right on the side over here, just like we just turned it on. And it also have like the volume increase button. So this is the roll feature. Okay, so these toys can be hooked over to the side. And just for development, they make different sounds. This sensory. Okay, so this gets hooked. Let's say, okay, this hoop, and then you're gonna loop it to this. This gets added to here. Right there, and they just hang off on the side. Same goes with this one. You would loop it into the purple. And that gets added onto either side, basically, per the manual, because I did end up like going through the manual just to make sure I didn't miss anything that I wanted to show you guys. So there is 15 songs on there. It gives you the lyrics of the first 3 songs through there, all the different notes. It tells you how to take care of the product. If you plan to, occasionally wash this, it tells you how to go through it washing this, the product features, which is everything that we went through, the different modes, the motion sensors, and also the removable play pieces. So like I said, the mirror can either be added up to here. There's like a hook for it at the top, or you could attach it because it has the little Velcro. This also has Velcro. So depending how you want it up, if you want it either, there's different ways that you can do it, but you would hook the mirror right there. You'd strap it on right here. And you can either like get the mirror up this way if the kid's playing on the other side, or you can hook it up this way to where they can see themselves from the front. So those are all the different options that you have. And this is the 3-in-1 Tummy Time Roller Pillar by Vtech Baby. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you stay tuned for other videos.